lot of us spend most of our days indoors, under artificial lights, and looking at computer or smartphone screens. We are surrounded by metal or plastic objects. When we go outside, we breathe in air that is polluted by factories and vehicle emissions. We have lost touch with nature. Health problems are increasing worldwide. Can reconnecting with nature from time to time boost our immune system? Can nature protect us from various diseases? That is the big question. Researchers have found that contact with nature can be good for health. Contact with nature leads to improved mental and physical health. The ancient Stoics believed that living a virtuous life meant living in harmony with nature. Nature-based solutions are increasingly being sought for health problems. I personally believe that if we want to have a drastic improvement in your health, you have to spend some more time in nature. Hello, my name is Daniel. Today you're going with me on a walk in the woods. So I promise you that at the end of this walk, you're going to feel very refreshed by this encounter with nature. Why do we run to nature when we are stressed? You see people going on a vacation, people running to the beach, going to the hills. Why is it so? I think because that is our natural environment. That is where we belong. You see, like fish belong in the water. So when you take a fish out of water, you are giving it stress. And we as humans have left our natural environment. We left our natural environment and therefore we have a lot of stress. I think that is why we instinctively run to nature when we are stressed. Go to the beach, go to the hills, take a walk in a park. Why is it so important? Like I said, that is where we belong. But because we have changed our environment, we have evolved in so many ways, that we have evolved in changing our natural environment. Imagine fish now living on dry land. They will be struggling to get back in water. So every time we need to go back to nature. And what does nature do for us when we get back to nature? That's a big question. What do you actually get when you get back to nature? You get nourishment, because we always say Mother Nature. It means you're going back to your mother. It's like a baby going back to its mother. And what will a baby get? A baby will get nourishment. Okay? So we always run back. So no matter what is going on in our lives, it is important to make time. I'm climbing a very steep hill now, so I'm a bit breathless. It's like watering a plant. If you leave a plant without water, it gets dry and it gets stressed. We have to try sometime to escape our urban prison and get into the freedom of nature. That is where we'll get all the nourishment and the de-stressing that we need.